In this video, I show you how to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate login problem. For fixing this problem, go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Bus Simulator. Click on Bus Simulator Ultimate. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear Cache, then clear storage. Then delete. Search for Google Play Games. Click on Google Play Games. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Bus Simulator Ultimate app. Now I hope that this method fixes Bus Simulator Ultimate login problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.